I got one of these little things. The bottom drawer has my mealworms in it. These are all hatched from eggs. These are all homegrown. This is cornmeal with some chicken food, paper rolls, and carrot tops, banana peels, and whatnot. Here's one that turned into a pupa. So I'm going to put this in my little container I have for them. And here is a beetle. Perfect. I will put the beetle in the top drawer of my system right here. In the top drawer I have the bottom cut out. This is a mesh. It's kind of the same as just a window screen door. And this is oats with banana peel, carrot tops, more paper rolls, and they just do their thing, and hopefully they lay their eggs and they fall through into the layer below. This is just cornmeal and a little bit of food until I see some movement, some babies hatched. And that is it. I do spritz it with a water bottle every day to keep it moist, and it's pretty low maintenance.